The secret to growing peppers in any soil is organic matter. And the first type you're going to want to use is household organic matter. That means things like bananas, eggshells, coffee grounds, and even some old lettuce if you got some old bad head the lettuce. What I did was I collected these things, put them in a bin, and left them for a month. Technically, with compost, you're supposed to leave it for a year, but I just left it for a month because that's the time that I had, and it seemed to work out just fine. The second kind of organic matter you're going to want to use is grass clippings. Personally, I got those from my lawnmower. The third kind of organic matter that you're going to want to use is chicken poop. I got those from my chickens, specifically the poop that I cleaned out of the coop last year. You can also use horse poop. Just make sure that you don't use dog or cat poop because that would be gross. And when you are ready to plant your peppers, all you gotta do is dig a trench, put all your different types of organic matter into that trench, and then put a little dirt, mix a little dirt on top, and then plop your seeds in, and boom! In a little while, you will have these beautiful plants. I have had really good success with this method, even though my soil is very alkaline. The organic matter is simply able to make up for it. Because what's really important about peppers is that you can't just throw them in the dirt. You have to make up a loam-like soil for them to be in. And all those different types of organic matter do that for you. And yes, that is how to grow lovely, beautiful peppers in any soil. And now it's time to say goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Goodbye. Always remember to be happy. I'm buzzing away. Woo!
Go with Ozzie Kwee the Bee and learn some gardening. Plants, flowers, it doesn't matter, we'll get better. It's only the beginning now, so let's sow our seeds and pluck the weeds and let the sun do the rest.